Hi, my name is Mike Plum here at Kalispell Ford. I'm a product specialist. I'm here to show you the 2022 Platinum Lightning. The Lightning comes with quite a few, in the Platinum version, of quite a few options. You got your power heated and cooled front seats. You got your nice 15-inch screen with navigation, Sync 4 system. Comes with all the lane keeping and bliss options. You got the moon roof. Got the new workstation that comes in the F-150s, just folds out. Good for having lunch, putting your laptop. Just folds out like that when the shifter is put down. Back seats on the F-150 Lightning, they flip up like this. You got a nice storage under there, collapsible storage. It does fold out and locks in place. Got the remote tailgate and remote front pops up, giving you that extra storage and carrying cargo. When it's time to charge the F-150 Lightning, plug in your cord right there, leave it overnight for charging, and it monitors the amount that the battery has been charged.